Python Panda. I will try to cover Python Panda 2 or 3 sessions. First session I will cover up to the indexing in series. So the term Panda is derived from panel data system, which is term for multidimensional structured dataset. Panda is an open source Python library which provide high performance, easy to use data structure and data analytical tools. It is used in wide range of fields including academic and commercial domain, which include finance, economics, statistics and analyticals. So Panda is a Python module that makes data science and data analysis easy and efficient. How can you install Panda in your PC? First you run cmd command, run command, and run as administrator. First you write there cmd, then click on right click, this menu is appear. Now you write run as administrator. You got a C prompt, type there cd backslash, that means the prompt will come, root prompt will become. Then you type pip install pandas. So Panda will be installed in your PC. Then data structure is the way to organize data in your computer that access or work with appropriate ways. Panda provide and deal with following data structure: series, data frames and panels. Series is a single dimension array storing the homogeneous data type. It is just NIMPhy. We are studying in NIMPhy is a single dimension array. Data frame is a 2D array to storing heterogeneous data types, and panel is 3-dimension way to storing the data items. Now the series, as we earlier told you, कि series is a single dimension array. So if we define array is a set of subscript. Subscript means S0, S1, S2, S3. If we declare S as a array and we give the value 5, 6, 3, 4, that all are integer. So this is the integer type array. We can declare any type of array, either integer, float or character. Another is dataset. Dataset is 2-dimension with heterogeneous data types. As you see in the example, admission number is integer, name is string, class is again string, and section is character. Now Panda series is the 1-dimension array to capable to holding integer, string, float and Python object. Series can be created using constructor. If I define constructor means a function with their class name is known as constructor. It is generally used to assign the data types. And the syntax of Panda series is PD means the object of Panda. Panda dot series data comma index comma d type comma copy. So creation of series is also possible from an array, the directory, scalar values. Series can be created using array, directory and scalar values. I will be cover in this topic. So we can create a series with index or without index. As you see on your screen, I give the both option. File without index, we can run with help of F5. Now this is the result. 0, 1, 2, 3, that is the index number. If you see there is no index values, and after the execution the index value will be displayed on screen. So we can use with index also. This is the array and we give the index number 100, 101, 100, 105 and print that S. Now execute. So you see the resultant 100, this one, 101 B, 102 C and 103 D, and D type is object. D type is here again object. So this is without index and this is the index. So we can give the indexing according to our way. You can give here 1, 2, 3. You can give the name also. So creating the scalar value with the help of series, like that PD1 object is created with series 5 and give the index number, and we can print the value. Here we can use data mathematical operation in Pandas series. First series is my 1, 2, 3 denoted to S, again is T, then U is a variable where we operate S plus T, that is the additional operator. Again this is the multiply and print the value. You can see in your screen 1 plus 1, 2 multiplied by 2 and 3 multiplied by 4 is the resultant of this way. Now head and tails. Whenever we declare a scalar series, so front and rear should be there. So the front is known as head and last is known as tails. So we can print with the help of head from front side. That means if we run this program, we got the result 1, 2 with index A and B. Again, if we execute tail program, tail functions, the answer will be 3, 4, 5 with C3, C, D, E, the index number. Now, how can we accessing the series with indexing. This is the example of indexing. S is the series and indexing is A, B, C, D, E, and we print S0. S0 is the starting of the series, यानी कि S0, S1, S2, S3 and S4. So S0 is 3, and this is sign is we can first three index values A, B, C with their numbers, and this is the meaning of we take the last. I can see with your programs. F5. Now S0, 1, ABC, ABC, and with the respective values. C, D, E, then this is the last value of C, D, E with their respective values, and last is object name, what type of object we are used. So retrieving the data from selection we can use with LOC and ILOC and IX. Now LOC, get the row or columns with particular label from the index. ILOC, get the row and column at particular position in the index. So it is only take integers. IOC. Now this is the program. This is the program. ILOC we give the integer value, and OC we give the correct index number. Now we execute this program. So you will see that B to E, this will be print, and this will be the execution of program. So this is the end of session with indexing, and I will be cover in next session Panda with data frames. Thank you so much.